Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to add private key on Bitget Wallet. Adding a private key enhances your security and gives you full control over your crypto assets. So let's get started on how to add private key on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on your profile from the top of the list. In your profile settings, locate the private key option and tap on it. Choose your desired mainnet from the available option. Input your Bitget PIN code for security. From the list of available private keys, tap on the one you want to select. And this is how you can add private key on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.